Hi, thanks for joining my new YouTube channel. My name is Shab, and if you want to see how I curl my hair, please stay tuned because I'll be showing you just how to do that. It's going to be super simple. You just need a flat iron and about a 1.5 to 2 inch curling iron barrel, and you're going to need some hair color powder. So the first thing I like to do is I just like to straighten a little bit of the top. My hair is actually naturally curly, so after a few days it gets a little bit fluffy at the top, and so I just want to straighten it out a little bit. And you can see already it is framing my face even better than what my hair looked like before. The other thing is that as we get older, if you notice younger people, their hair parting is not as wide. So now this is partly because I have a lot of gray hair, and so some of the gray is coming in, but it's also because as you get older, you start losing some of your hair. And so your hair parting starts to get even thicker. Younger people, they have a very thin hair parting. And so I feel like there's like little tips and tricks that we can do to just mask our age a little bit, because I feel like we feel young at heart. We don't quite feel 50 or above. And so the thing that I like to use is this Wow powder, but you can use any powder that you find at the drugstore. And I'm just going to take a little bit of the Wow. This color is a dark medium, it's a medium brown. So I'm just going to take a little bit, dab it in here. And then I'm just going to go ahead and tap it right in there. So do you see how it already made a difference in my parting? The other thing too is that I just colored my hair, but because I've been going gray since I was 15 years old, I have a lot of gray hair. So I have to color my hair usually about every 2 weeks. So this I colored, I think last week, but you can already see that some of the gray is coming in. So I'm just going to tap the color on there a little bit, just to hide that. There. I'm not going to straighten all of this because I want there to be a little bit of bounce and curl in here. I want the curling iron to be able to hold the curl. I want my hair to be able to hold the curl. Then I'm going to take this. It's just a Conair curling iron. I'm going to start in the middle here, and I'm not going to leave it here too long. I'm just going to keep twirling it until I get almost to the bottom. And I like to count to about 15 counts. So there, you can see that it's a nice little curl. I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm not going to do anything with it. I'm going to grab another small section, grab this here, just in the middle of my hair, and not leave the barrel in there for too long, because otherwise it's going to make a big sort of dent in my hair. And obviously you don't want that. So count again for about 10, 15 seconds. Let it go. And I know that, you know, some bloggers will say that you should reverse the barrel and do the curls another way. You can totally do it that way. It's just that I just don't have the patience to do that. And I would rather just the curls go the same way. And also I'm not very good at twisting the curls the other way. So I'm happy enough to just do it this way. I have to say that, you know, part of the challenge of curling your hair is actually having a really good haircut. So if you have a really good haircut, if your stylist can give you a really good haircut, you can have a haircut where you can put the curls in your hair and they'll actually last a long time. I actually don't wash my hair every day. I don't wash my hair every 3 days. I wash my hair once a week, usually on a Thursday. And then it just stays this way. And then obviously, you know, after a few days, the curls are not as tight, but at least they're still kind of there. And so even if I'm running out, I don't really need to do anything because the hair looks fine. And that's because I have a really great haircut. There we go. So I'm just going to go ahead and curl the rest of the hair. The other thing I like to do is when I do the front part right here, I like to take a little bit, and then I just like to make sure that this side of my hair is not as tight as this side. I like this side to just be a little bit looser, so that won't stay in as long as you can, and you can see that the curl is just a little bit looser on this side, and for some reason I just prefer it that way. There you go. So now I'm just going to just twist this just a little bit because I like them a little bit twisted. Twisted just like me. And then I'm going to take some hair oil. I like to use the Ordinary. And this is the cold pressed Moroccan and argan oil. And I just take a few drops. Rub it around, let it get nice and warm, and then I just put a little bit in my hair. And then I also put a little bit up here, but not too much, because I don't want my hair to get greasy. And that's it. And then if you want, you can separate this just a little bit. I usually let the hair cool down a little bit before I separate. And then you're done, you're ready to go. And it's super fast, super easy. And as you can see, you don't need expensive hair products. This is a Conair that I just got from the store. And then this is the Avanti Ultra Straightening Iron. So thanks for joining my new show. If you liked what you see, please press the like button. If you'd like to see more of my videos, please subscribe and please click the bell so that way you can be notified when I put up a new video. This channel is going to be all about food because I'm a huge foodie. I'm going to be showing you guys some great recipes, things that I make for myself and for when we have guests come over. And I'll just be doing some makeup and some lifestyle stuff. So thanks so much. I hope you had fun in this video, and I hope you're having a great day. Bye.